Tell all your friends, spread the word now. These people back here don't want to hear you guys doing this crap. We get complaints every day, all day.
Actually gonna sit in the chair where the rock's at. Finally made it here to Times Square, New York. Another beautiful night in car community. Welcome guys to another episode of the Car Community channel. My name is Zayden and I'm out here with Rigo. What's up, Rigo? He's laughing at my intro. I don't know why, but we're heading out to New York City. Let's see where the night takes us. Wow, Sorto, ¿qué haces?
Nada.
Wow, yesterday he kicked it in my face. Finally made it here to New York City. Rigo, we're here in New York City. What do you think? Yeah. We're basically always here, but there's a lot of potholes we gotta be careful for, and a lot of cab drivers. So we finally made it here to Times Square, New York with the R8. And guess who's just showed up? Jordan and her sick matte gray R8 paint straight from the factory. Look how crazy this looks. What's up, Jordan? Welcome to the vlog. Welcome to the vlog. Good. So this is Jordan's V10 Plus R8. She got it. When'd you get this car? 17. So look how sick this looks. She actually put this front lip on. Did you scrape it on the way here?
No.
It was good. Wow, this thing looks sick. Capristo exhaust, right? I heard that. That thing was loud. So this is a V10 Plus, and this is a regular R8. As you can see, the differences between them. And she has the gloss back lip, gloss back wheels. And make sure you guys follow them, Kata.nyc. Take a look at how sick this looks. That's what you call horsepower. That's actually 2 horsepower. Guys, legit, this car is so beautiful. The paint, the matte paint, and you can see all the curves. Your car is loud as yeah, it's f***ing loud. So everybody, compared to California, this is what we get, skyscrapers. But we gotta take a moment to admire this view over here and the view in the back of the 2 R8s. Take a look at the city. How beautiful is it? Take a look at the R8s. These cars are legit kissing each other. Look, can barely fit through it. That's barely even touching. You think we should go a little closer? So that's gonna end it for us over here in New York City. Tonight we have some shenanigans planned with Debt Profiteer. I'm gonna go drop the R8 off to my house and pick up the Aston Martin. Stay tuned. Before heading out from New York City, we had to check out my buddy Sal. What's up, Sal? Welcome to the channel. He owns this movie prop car rental company, and they have a ton of cars here that they rent for like big movies like what, Fast and Furious? What
Everything
else?
and anything. Major TV shows, classic movies, present movies, we do it all.
And these cars are insane. They all run, by the way, and everything here is for rent. So we're actually out here at a highly undisclosed location, and I really can't tell you guys where we are. There's a classic right here. Apparently they have over 200 cars that they rent out.
That's right, guys.
From like high-end
classics.
You name it, they have it. Even this Red Bull truck is for rent. They also do their own mechanics here as well. So if they want to clean something up, one of the cars that comes back from a movie set, they can just do it, everything straight over here. So there you guys have it. Look at the crazy cars. Look, they even have police cars here.
Old Studebaker here. Fire trucks, police trucks, anything you need.
Remember guys, you can't drive them, so basically they drive the cars to your location and you guys can use it as props for the movies or any
music videos,
anything, any like film and stuff. You need to rent a car, you come over here. So Sal's company is actually called Picture Cars East. And you guys can check out their website. I'm gonna put a link in the description. If you guys need any of the stuff you see in the vlog today, make sure you hit them up and give the car community name and they'll hook you up for sure. I wanna take a look at this police thing because I've never been in a police truck in my life. So what is this truck?
It's a command center, so a lot of the newer shows, FBI.
And everything works. Wow.
There you go.
Starts right up. It's outside. Oh crap, look at that. You know, this gives me some ideas for some film things we can do. So what is that?
It's basically, it's a Centennial. So it's you know, bulletproof, full bulletproof glass, all aluminum block, like all cast iron.
What movie did they use that in?
That's from Fast and the Furious, The Rock, when
Wow.
he crashed into the demon. That, but now they're using an FBI.
So am I actually gonna sit in the chair where the Rock's at? This thing starts right up. Wow. That's nuts. That is crazy. Let's hop in this thing. Wow. These doors are really heavy.
You got cast iron and you have bulletproof.
So, where was the Rock sitting? That is where the Rock was sitting, guys. This is the exact car, full cast iron. Oh, did you guys fix this car, or?
There was barely any damage to this truck.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. you could run over anything. You'll be okay.
So if you guys want to rent this to crash, hit them up. There's that MTA bus over here. Oh my god. Imagine me driving this in the street.
Here we have 3 of the most iconic muscle cars back in the day. We got a 68 Camaro convertible. We have a 70 Boss 429. 70 Challenger convertible. Jaguar Mustang.
Guys, legit, I've never seen this many cars in my life in one place. Especially like antiques and...
This is only one warehouse. We got 5 warehouses.
They got 5 of them filled with these types of cars. Mostly like prop cars and stuff. I think these are not really for rent. But if you have...
I could rent them for music videos, but you know, they got to break the wallet for those.
If you have the bucks, you can get those. We're finally gonna be heading out from South Space. We're heading out to meet up with Dead Profits here. I'm going to my house to pick up the Aston Martin. Let's get ready to go. 24, 23, 22, 21, 3, 2, 1. There we are. What's up? Welcome to the channel.
What's up,
Beautiful area, bro. He was actually on our rally too, and it still looks good. So tonight is shenanigan night. What shenanigans are we gonna be doing?
I see a bridge right now and no cars. Let's go shut it down.
We're in Mexico, by the way. Mexico. It's
Mexico City.
yeah. The wall is supposed to be like right there.
Dos Gatos, El Nero, Plones, El Gordita, Chalupa, Burrito.
How crazy was that flyby? Holy crap! That was whack! Boo! This guy's going like 60 miles per hour in reverse. You wanna?
I got it. My traction control's having a problem. We're good now.
I'm ready whenever you are. What are you doing?
Reverse donuts.
Wait till this car passes by.
The sheriff down there, I think he's coming this way.
Oh, they're coming?
Yeah, I think they are. I passed them, then they were coming this way.
That's them back there? Shit.
Hey, stop!
Over. Go over. All of you, get on the curb right now. License registration for everybody here.
Have any passes? Huh? Do you have any passes?
License, registration.
Yeah, he has it.
Got it?
Yeah. You know what? Please smash that subscribe button. Show some support, because I'm going to need it.
Like red and blue like this?
Yeah. Oh, God.
I'm pulling them over.
Awesome. Thank you, officer.
We're gonna disappear for the night, right?
Yeah,
We're
for
not
sure.
gonna get any more calls.
Nah, you'll be good. You'll be good.
Fast and Furious 3000.
No, you're good. You're good.
So tell all your friends, spread the word now. These people back here don't want to hear you guys doing this crap.
For sure.
Okay,
yeah.
we get complaints every day, all day.
Yeah, I got it.
All right?
No problem. Thank
Spread
you,
the word, man.
Thank you, officer.
Did you get tickets?
No.
Nothing?
No.
Since you guys did a great job doing some donuts, we decided to get some real donuts.
Oh, that's great. I was actually really hungry too.
Speed, not responsible, and prudent. Prudence.
So is that points or not?
And donut means moved from lane unsafely.
So this is it, guys. We're gonna end the vlog right here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you smash the subscribe button, hit the thumbs up. We are on the road to 10,000 subscribers. Make sure you drop a comment what you thought about the video, and I'll see you guys on the next vlog.